Start my time. Manishma, Rabbi. Baruch Hashem, how are you?
Doing all right?
Thank God. Living a dream. Living a dream. Yeah, oh, they're watching all the comments off your house. I love it.
Side of the house.
I love it.
What you gotta do? Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
You have no idea.
Pleasure to help.
I know it, by the way. If I didn't feel that, I wouldn't call you anyway.
So tell me what happened. What do you think?
I'll tell you what happened. What's going on here? Me and my boys upstairs. I'm not usually not down here too much, except I learned down here. The kids were here for Shabbos.
Okay.
Say Ava. I set it at 73.
Yes.
It was 61.
It's cold. Right now it's set for 73 and it's reading 65.
That happened the other day because it was afterwards. So what I think is we need a new thermostat.
Maybe.
That's what I think, because I had this a few times already. I'll move this away if you want to get in here.
No, I'll squeeze in there. It's okay.
Oh, that's good, before the matzah. I like that water tank. You can put the lights right up here. So I touch these pipes.
Yes.
And yeah, then I'll get this stuff out.
No, it's okay. It's okay. So this is...
I touch these. Now it's a drop Shabbos.
Hold on. So the this zone is actively on. Interesting.
This was very hot. Shabbos, this one was very hot.
First floor. Second. Do me a favor, Rabbi. Turn off the thermostat. Just turn it off so it's like not on. Right? And we're gonna watch that lever. The end switch is not making. Hopefully. So if he turns that off, that lever is going to move back to... Yeah, just off. It's off? Really? Sure about that? There it goes. Okay. So the basement zone valve has an issue. Not the thermostat. Thermostat's okay. The zone valve, the electronic valve that gives heat for the lower level, the basement, no bueno. So, here is that zone valve. So when this motor energizes, that little brass tab moves and it pushes in this little button right there. Like that. See? It turns the boiler on. So, either the zone valve lever is not doing what it's supposed to do, the zone valve is bad, or the guts are no good. So just turn on the thermostat one more time. So like set it for 70 and let's watch it come on. Okay. Yep. Okay. Let's see what happens. Maybe a delay. Did you hear it click on? Does it normally click on when you do it?
Sometimes. Depends.
How old are the batteries in the thermostat?
I changed it last time I had an issue.
Okay. Let's give that a minute then maybe.
So now at least you have the one thing to heat.
Let's go see.
Yes, very educated kid, I
Oh,
tell you. What
look
to
at
do.
that.
It's you.
Okay.
That's not me. This is you.
Exactly.
This is you, mate.
All right, so. Oh, why is it flashing battery? You know what? You have a new battery? To Polaroid. Come on, Polaroid, Rabbi. Polaroid batteries? Polaroid makes, you know, the old cameras. They don't make batteries.
That's what
That's what you had. So the Rebbetzin gave you? The Repinson gave you 2 Polaroid batteries. Let's see if you have 2 new ones. We'll try that first. Very, very sus. Is it really? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Because the battery light did come on. It's like very weird. Interesting. Okay. See the bat. Oh, there it goes. Now it lit up. Okay, now it's thinking.
This could work off.
Maybe. No, it's not. No, it needs to be on. So right now, okay. So let's see. Did he really go back on the wall just like that? I guess so. That goes. Okay.
It's time for upgrading these things because it just makes trouble anyway.
Let's see.
Is this considered a good company, Robert Shaw?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the heat now clicked on. It has a little flashy thing there. Let's see what it does. And look at that. And now it's on. Baruch Hashem, it's a miracle. It's a Pesach miracle.
What happened?
It's working. You had dead batteries. Let's go. Let's lower it.
What a beautiful vort you just taught me. Yeah, you gotta have a whole system working.
Okay, set for 68. Now it's off. Let's turn it back on. I can be. All right, 75.
I go get actually those other type of batteries now. I'm not gonna use the Polaroid ones anymore on this.
I didn't hear it click. I didn't hear it click. And I would hate to do this and then it stops working after I leave. Let's see if now it's on. Nope. Not on. Alright, looks like they're using a metal box here, which is going to be really nice. So I don't have to put more anchors into a stupid wall. Yeah, perfect. Look at that. The metal box. Love it. Love it. Absolutely love it. Now, before I get all crazy here, let's just jump these 2 out. And hopefully that zone valve opens. Yep, sure did. Okay. And it's off. Perfect. All right. Now. And the other one is going to go right there.
Come make a brother.
We're good.
You good? White professional. That's cool. Professional guy.
Yeah, get me paid for. Okay, there is white wire. Give that a little tug. Good. And the red. The RH. Now, as long as I don't remove that jumper behind the thermostat, I could put it on RC, it'll still work fine. What I'm talking about is that jumper right there, RCRH, on this 1F 83C 11PR. So 2 AA batteries are in. We're gonna set our time. It is 9:50. 9:50 on Monday. Okay. There it is. Beautiful. Now, thermostat is off. Let's set it to heat. Let's raise it to, let's say, 69. Hold. There's that click. Let's go see the zone valve.
Like by Caesar's Express over there.
Yep.
And those guys that stare.
All right. Let's lower this now.
Okay, yeah, no, I'm saying, don't put water over there.
Okay, that's off. The click is off. And that's off. Let's turn it back on.
So end it up. End it up with the gang.
86, 66. Zone valve is on. There's the click. Damper opening. All right, she's running. Beautiful. Don't ask me, couldn't turn off the water. Don't ask. All right, nice and flush on the wall, secure, level, perfect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you played close attention to today's video, you're gonna see that maybe, just maybe, there's something still wrong here, and I'll be back for that zone valve. In the interim, I only got a few of the Mikey Pipes version 2.0 2025 if you ain't testing your guessing posters. These are all numbered and signed by moi, Mikey Pipes. Remember, 100% of all proceeds go to my nonprofit, the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization, where we provide free or low-cost plumbing, heating, cooling services to those in the community who can't afford to hire a professional. Check out our website, pipes4free.org. That's PIPES, the number 4, FREE.org. We're an IRS 501c3 charity. Pick up. There's only a few remaining, guys. $42.50. I'll put it in a tube. I'll mail it to you. Even give you some stickers. And if you want, I'll even give you a kiss. No homo, though. I'll catch you in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. What do we have in here from the warehouse queen? Whee! We got presents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. 5, 6. Wow, they really do love me. With a card, no less. No, it's not from Penny. It says thank you. This actually came from Blair. Oh, no. Ooh. Look at what we got here. Look, read that and weep, folks. Looks like I got an admirer. Mikey, thank you for all you do for me, us at ACIQ. You are the best. You see that? I'm the best. Thought you liked these. Love, Hot Penny. All right, so all the stickers that Hot Penny sent me, there you go. I'm just here to lay some pipe. But that one works too.